Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio YouTube channel. My name is Connor. This is a little video walkthrough on what we've done to this Porsche Cayenne 958 chassis, which is a 2013 circa year. Compatible with pretty much the whole 958 range. Had a factory PCM system which unfortunately went faulty. We did discuss the possibility of repairing it, but by the time you get it repaired and add an Apple CarPlay Android Auto interface box, it just wasn't worth it. It wasn't very cost effective to repair a very basic WVGA screen. Now the customer's got a brand new option from Kenwood. Let's show you what we've done. This is it fitted. Let me put the ignition on, get it running for you. Going to come up with a Porsche Splash logo, which is a nice little touch. We use a flush fit fascia, so no external trims around the Kenwood on site. Really nice fit, butts up against all the dashboard just perfectly. And if you fancied, you could even put a Porsche sticker here or here if you wanted to, because it's almost lends itself to put a little Porsche logo here, which I've seen other people do. Looks all right. All the factory fitted steering wheel control still works. Customer's got a volume up and down, track up and down, and answer buttons on the phone. This spec Porsche Cayenne had the Bose system fitted as standard. We've kept that working, original to this. You can also connect the Burmester system if you had the Burmester system, or the basic system as well. Now this is the Kenwood DMX 8021, 3-year warranty when installed by a Premier Centre such as ourselves. Now let's go through a little bit of a connection, show you how the Apple CarPlay works. I'm gonna push the telephone button down bottom right here. It's gonna make it visible. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into settings on my phone. I'll show you the process because it is really that simple. Go to DMX 8021, which is just there, wait for it to focus. And then it's gonna ask me to pair. I hit yes. You hit yes on the screen. Accept. And it's going to ask you to sync your contacts across. And then what it's doing now is going for a handshake to switch between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Use CarPlay on here, yes on here, and then just wait for it to do its handshake. And usually within 10 seconds or so, it should then come up on the screen. Just like so. Now we've got Apple CarPlay connected wirelessly. As I mentioned, it also does wireless Android Auto as well, so no need to plug your phone in. And now the customer's got access to Apple CarPlay, which gives them access to Waze navigation, Google Maps, iOS Maps, Spotify, Tidal if you pay for that, TomTom if you pay for that, and internet radio stations like TuneIn Radio, Virgin Radio UK, BBC Sounds app. So it gives you full access to all your music and navigation apps. And you can even do split screen where you have navigation on left on your music playing on the right. These symbols on the left, they're movable. We can actually move that from to the right, which I will do after